Hi, I'm Gary Berger here with Berger Law. I am here in my car getting back from a hearing with Amy Van Dorn. How are you?
I'm good.
What did we do today?
We went and approved the settlement for my husband's wrongful death case.
Very, very sorry for your loss of Paul.
Thank you.
And I know we talked about that on the stand today. What a great guy. Tell me something about Paul.
He was a numbers guy. He loved money and economics and very smart.
Smart man.
Comes to that, yeah. Military man, very stand-up citizen.
Great guy, father of 3 boys.
Mm-hmm.
He was killed in a car wreck. We made a claim against the Potosi Fire Protection District and a driver. What questions do you have? What were you worried about at the beginning of this process?
The beginning is how we are going to survive, because he was our breadwinner. I mean, I had a little part-time job and we have 3 kids and let's put them through college. What am I going to do?
What did we do to answer those questions?
You guys did a lot. Any little question that I had, I texted you and Taylor, and you guys just were there. And if you didn't have the answer right then, you guys got back to me.
You mentioned before that going through this, not to overshare, but you kind of felt like you were kind of in a fog through a lot of this.
Yeah, just losing my husband so tragically. It was unexpected, and I was right there, and it wasn't supposed to happen at all. So, I wasn't expecting. I was expecting to maybe bring him home in a wheelchair, but not leave us.
So sorry for your loss. And I got to know you and your family so much and so intimately at your house and your 3 boys and stuff. It's such a blessing to represent you and to be able to navigate you through this tragedy.
Thank you.
So we got on the. So can I ask some questions to teach people a little bit about the law?
If I can remember.
No, I'm not quizzing you. You're not
okay.
on. You already took the stand today, right?
Yes.
So in Missouri law, to settle a wrongful death case, you have to take the stand and ask the court to approve the settlement, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And what we did was we took. So can I say the number on the video, or do you want me to keep that confidential for you?
I mean, you can.
We got $765,000 to settle your claim, and we took some of the money and we put it in a structured settlement for your boys, right?
Yes.
And so their college is taken care of.
Yes.
And then some, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we also put some money in a structured settlement for you.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to get money for a decade.
Yeah.
Every month.
Yep.
And then you also have a lump sum up front for yourself to get a car or whatever you're going to do. What are you going to do?
Oh, I want to go on vacation. Definitely vacation somewhere sunny.
You've been through a lot.
Yeah, somewhere that we don't have to worry about.
Were you happy with the job we did?
Very happy.
Okay. How did we communicate with you and answer your questions? Good?
Oh, yeah. Through text, phone calls, emails, mail, everything. Every outlet, every facet was available.
A lot to navigate, navigate the lawsuit, navigating your loss, suggesting counseling and grief counseling for your boys,
Mm-hmm.
the legal stuff about going against a municipality and a volunteer and the different immunity protections they had and different insurance limits and different stuff. There was a lot for you to navigate.
Yeah.
Do you feel educated? Do you feel like you know more of the process now?
Oh, definitely.
What would you say to someone who's facing not that you'd ever wish this on anybody, who's facing what you faced? What wisdom would you give them a year or 2 later? Now, what would you tell yourself?
Pretty much what I've been doing is taking one day at a time, but definitely get a lawyer for something like this. There's no way I could have done anything, and I would have been sitting here probably scared of if we're going to eat tomorrow or, scared, and I'm not. I'm scared to be without my husband, but I'm not scared that, we're going to be homeless or anything. So
glad to help you. You and your kids are financially secure now.
Yeah.
And we're doing this video in my car. This is the first time we've driven down to Potosi, since this happened.
This is my first time going down there since the accident. So
thanks for letting me drive you.
And thank you for driving. I don't think I could have done that myself.
Thanks for letting me represent you and getting this great result for you.
Thank you.
All right, and thanks for doing the video.
Well, it turns out okay.
Thanks.